was. Cause I'm like, every time your car fucked up, that's when all these motherfuckers in these fast cars want to go by. I'm this motherfucker in this Mustang. I got my wife behind me and shit. I eat his ass up any other day. But that acceleration on this motherfucker, tell y'all, problems you're gonna start having. It's gonna start sputtering. Definitely when you start accelerating that leveler, that's when it's gonna sputter the worst. So you're just gonna have to keep them RPMs if you pedal shift like me. Just keep that RPM at like 3,000, and just easily, go up that incline. Once you start hitting that decline, boom, you good. You all good. But yeah, I mean, that's really some of the symptoms. 1 minute the gas needle say 200, the next minute that bitch would be like 400. Man, this tank don't even hold. One time this bitch was said like 6 something. This tank don't only hold like 400. You know what I mean? So I don't know, 400 miles. They say 400 miles or whatever, 400 to empty. This bitch said like 6 something one time, like 598 type, some crazy shit. Yeah, man. But if you take it to your mechanic, man, that code will pop up. You need a fuel pump and the relay. You can go get it at the dealership. I don't know how this gonna go for ordering it with the O-ring. I think the fuel pump, the relay, and the O-ring was that shit was less than 300. It was like might have been like 280 something. I think it was cheaper than, I think it was like 240 something. Like, to be honest with you, with tax, like 250 something, 257, whatever the fuck. Let's just say like 260. And then find you somebody to put that shit on. I don't know how much the homie gonna charge me, but ain't shit. It's the homie. Man, I'ma holler at y'all. Fuck these dealerships, what the fuck they talking about? Man, fuck. Holla.